Hey there! Today I'm diving into a topic that's both fascinating and often misunderstood, the female orgasm. It's a subject that has intrigued scientists, puzzled partners, and even mystified women themselves for generations. Did you know that only about 25% of women consistently reach orgasm during intercourse? This statistic highlights a significant gap in understanding and communication about female pleasure. Let's unravel the science behind this amazing experience. Understanding the female orgasm involves delving into both the physical and psychological aspects. First off, it's crucial to understand that every woman's experience with orgasm is unique. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's completely normal. This video aims to provide a general overview, not medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized information. So, what exactly happens during a female orgasm? The process is both complex and fascinating. The clitoris is the star of the show. It's a small but mighty organ that plays a crucial role in sexual pleasure. With over 8,000 nerve endings, it's the most sensitive part of the human body. This high concentration of nerve endings makes the clitoris incredibly responsive to stimulation. Stimulation of the clitoris sends signals to the brain, specifically to the genital sensory cortex, causing arousal and physical responses. This neural pathway is essential for the sensation of pleasure. But it's not just the clitoris. Other areas like the G-spot and cervix can also contribute to sexual pleasure. The G-spot, cervix, and other erogenous zones can also enhance pleasure, though they're not alternative centers of orgasm. They work in conjunction with the clitoris to create a more intense experience. When arousal peaks, the brain triggers a series of physical responses. This is where the magic happens. You'll often experience increased heart rate, muscle spasms in the vagina, uterus, and anus, and those rhythmic contractions we associate with orgasm. These physical responses are the body's way of releasing built-up sexual tension. But remember, the brain is equally important. It's the control center that processes all these sensations and emotions. Psychological factors like stress, relationship dynamics, and mental health significantly impact the ability to orgasm. A relaxed mind and a trusting relationship can make a world of difference. Now let's clear up a common misconception. Lubrication doesn't equal arousal. It's a helpful aspect of sexual activity, but not a definitive indicator of sexual excitement. Lubrication is triggered by different mechanisms and aids intercourse, but it doesn't necessarily indicate orgasm. It's important to understand this distinction to better communicate with your partner. Communication with your partner is key to understanding each other's needs and preferences. Open dialogue can lead to a more fulfilling sexual experience for both parties. Speaking of myths, let's debunk a couple. There are many misconceptions about the female orgasm that need to be addressed. First, orgasm is not a requirement for pregnancy. This is a common myth that can cause unnecessary stress. While it may slightly increase the chances of conception, it's not necessary. The primary requirement for pregnancy is the meeting of sperm and egg. And there's no normal way to experience orgasm. Each woman's journey to pleasure is unique and valid. Everyone's journey is different, and that's perfectly okay. Embrace your own path and don't compare yourself to others. In conclusion, I encourage you to explore further. Knowledge is power, and understanding your body can lead to a more satisfying sexual experience. There are reputable resources available to learn more about sexual health and well-being. Books, websites, and even professional consultations can provide valuable insights. Understanding your body and what brings you pleasure is empowering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.